Hey beauties, hi and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nick here, and today we're going to keep this video short and sweet. As you all may know, Kylie released 4 new lip kit colors retailing for $29, and I was excited about this. She was giving us a tease on her Instagram with the color Say No More, so I went ahead and picked that one up. So here we are. She is a velvet liquid lipstick, and the lip kits do come with a liner and a velvet lipstick. This one here, which was interesting to me, it's like an army green, goes well with the bomber jacket. It's in the shade Ironic, and this is a matte liquid lipstick, and it also comes with a lip liner. And I am dying to try these, so if you want to see what these look like, please keep on watching. First up, we're going to try the Say No More. So this is what she looks like. Turn it around here, the velvet liquid lipstick. And here is your liner. What I love about her liners are they are creamy. Look at that, easy to put on. So let's go ahead and put this on the lips. I love that these are so creamy and easy to apply. Ignore the fact that my lips are dry. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on getting Say No More. I'm trying to remove Say No More off of my lips. And woo, honey, she is there to stay. You're gonna have to work to get her off the lips. I'm working it. I'm probably gonna take some scrub and scrub my lips, but you know what, that's actually, I'm looking at the monitor, that's actually pretty. It leaves a pretty lip stain, but I know we need to get this off at some point so we can move on. Okay, honey, so Say No More is still on the lips, but we're gonna go ahead and move on to the color that I'm most excited to try, which is Ironic. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips first. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling the Say No More lip stain. I think it's so pretty. Lip stain. Oh, these are so creamy. I love how easy these are to apply to the lips. I feel like I'm so weird at lining lips, like, but you know, here I go. Now here we go with the matte liquid lipstick, and let me just show you the doe foot here. I love these, nice and easy to apply. Very comfortable on the lips, very. I love it. It's a beautiful army green. It goes well with my bomber jacket, and I'm feeling it. You guys let me know what you feel about this one in the comments, if you plan on getting this one as well. But yes, that is it. Let me just, hold on. Okay beauty, so that is it on the Kylie lip kits. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful.